Okay, we're back at the rental house. Just checking in to see what they've done. I guess they just started about an hour ago. It's about 9 o'clock or just before 9. Hi Goya!
Good morning.
I guess we have another guy here today. So yeah, we'll have to brace everything, and then we have to go buy some drywall. Yeah. Let's see how far we can get today. Hey Louis.
Yes.
Okay, so we went and ordered some drywall, which is being delivered right now. We need our tools. Louis, can you get the other two?
Yes.
Do you think that's ours? No, that's not even ours. But the good thing is we know that he fit, so the other truck will also fit, eh? Too bad. I thought that was our drywall. Okay, now they're here. Our drywall. Perfect. Now it's here.
Where do we put that one?
Inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
Sa loob daw po.
Full service. They're even bringing it inside. Perfect.
Are we gonna hang this one there?
Yeah.
And then...
Are you ready for hard work, Louis?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much. Okay, all the guys upload or unload in the back there. We have to go to Wilco,
Buy something that can...
buy a few things. So we can keep going, right?
Yeah.
And it's so hot today. But for Louis it's not hot. Right?
As long as it's raining, for me it's cold.
Yeah. It's hot and it's humid. It's very humid. I think that's the biggest problem, eh?
Yeah.
The humidity, because it was raining. So that's why we're sweating like crazy. But it feels good at the end of the day.
Yes. It's
Okay.
good that it has no sun today, right?
No sun today?
Yeah.
Maybe it's good. I don't know.
But only the humidity. It's really...
It's bad. Okay, friends. Everyone. Everyone say hi. Anyway, it's 3 o'clock and we got this row done. We're sweating again.
That's Kuya Ruben. He's
Yeah.
sweating even though it's not hot anymore.
It's very hot. It's very hot. Okay. Yeah. What else? What else are we gonna show YouTube? The shower?
Yeah, the
Okay.
finished product of shower.
Yeah, it's-
Almost finished.
No, not quite.
Almost finished.
They're gonna go up a little more, but this side is almost done. I think it's just this side is just gonna be up to here.
Are they going to finish this one too, Kuya?
The ceiling?
No, I mean the small part there.
Oh, I don't know if we're gonna go up that high. It's just I think the ceiling is gonna go up to the tiles, and that's it.
I
Yeah.
think it's perfect. This
Almost 4:30. This is what we got done today, and or this afternoon, I guess. And we're gonna call it a day for today because we're exhausted. It's tough to work in this heat. Yeah, Jasmine?
Yes.
Nice. Awesome. Awesome.
Enjoy.
Will of wisdom help. Also forgiveness.
Really good for forgiveness. The house of
The most closer. Okay, hey guys, welcome. That's good. Now, check what we did here.
So this is the almost finished product, guys.
So, hey, right?
We have only this is the and update in the CR. We have already the flooring, and this one is finished already. Yeah. So nice because we're almost done, right, Jasmine?
Jasmine is super excited.
He's gonna move na in the house. So keep updated, guys.
When you don't want to wear the things anymore, you have to cut this here and then the
Operation.
Oh, that's more hard.
And the thing is, like, hey! You can't even have a private conversation. It's all film. How was the movie? It's a red plasma. What time is it? Louis?
402.
4:02? Perfect. This is all done. Nice. This room is done. This room is done. Tiling is not done yet, but looking good. Kuyas are doing a good job. And what's this Kuya doing? Beautiful. Okay, that's the update for today. Louis,
Peace out. Yeah.
peace out. Subscribe, right?
Subscribe, like, and comment. Peace out.